Okay guys, for this project I'll be using this two ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and I'm glad they come in twos because I'm gonna make one for my son and one for my daughter. So we'll be using those two. And I got some hot chocolate in my cup, and there's two portions here, so I'm gonna divide it evenly. Some marshmallows, some sprinkles, and I got some chips from, it's a Reese's peanut butter chips, and some mini dessert toppings, I guess. So you can decorate it or you can layer it as you like. I know what my kids like, so I kind of want to make them each their own hot chocolate ornament. And to put everything inside, I'll be using a little, well, a funnel, so I don't get it everywhere. Okay guys, for this project you will need two, I guess it's flower pots. I had one, I painted it white and I end up not using it, so I'm just gonna leave it alone because I think white would be is suitable. And one, I will paint it red. You can use any acrylic, chalk paint, whatever you have on handy. So I'll paint this one red. Then we'll use buttons, and I have mine from Dollar Tree and they're already black, but if you don't have the black one you can just paint or make them black. So I need two on each pot, so you'll need 4 buttons. So that would be our base, and to stuff it inside to make it a little bigger, like, you know, I will use this floral foam from the Dollar Tree. That it's in like squares, so it would be perfect, so to raise it up a little bit. And any cookies of your choice. My family likes chocolate chip, and those are my wrapping gift bags. So I got them at the Walmart. I don't even know, I think they will, oh, $1.88 for, how many is in there? There is 20 bags in here, so I think it was a pretty cool price. I didn't think $1.88 for 20 was too bad. So, but the red truck, I cannot resist. This is a cute gift idea, and I'll show you how to make it. This is still drying, but this is dry. So what I'll do, I'll just move along with my buttons and attach it to, so don't even know if I want the same size or not, but this would work, I think. So one over here and one right here. Alright guys, for this project we'll need one of these ornaments. What I'll do, I'll just cut one out and save one for the next project. So I'll need just one of this cute little ornament bowl. Then we'll need one of those miniature flower pots. I got 3 of them. I think they came in a sets of 3 or 2. It was during the spring. I got it at the Dollar Tree and I didn't know what I will be using it for, but here it comes handy. So I'm gonna make a teeny tiny gumball machine. So we'll need this, the ornament, the little popper from a soda can, then a black paint, a red paint, which is, this one is Dollar Tree, this one is almost out, regular black paint, and I got some sprinkles. So those are gonna be my fake gumballs in this. It should be really quick and really easy, and my son, I think he's gonna like it. And for the ornament to like hang it on, because I'm gonna hang it, I'm gonna use this ribbon that I have from different ornament leftovers, or you can use a piece of jute. It's up to you. So now let's start working on it. Okay, so it's dry. Now I'm gonna put a funnel so I don't get it everywhere. It's a black funnel inside my ornament. You can use any sprinkles you like. I just had a bunch of different ones, so I'm gonna mix it. Well, try and mix it. Okay, those and some of this. Okay guys, for this project we will need, a mason jar from Dollar Tree. And what I did, I painted the lid white using the Beverly white chalk paint. So then I have a couple of ornaments. You can use anything you would like. A snow globe from the Dollar Tree as well. A couple of candy canes, it's up to you. I could not find the mini ones. I really would like to have the mini ones for this gift jar, but I couldn't find it. So my daughter likes the Jolly Ranchers, so I got her that, and a couple of mints ones I have leftovers. So then I got this styrofoam. I cut off exactly the size of this bottom because I want my ornament inside to be uplifted. So what I will do, I'll attach it to that, and then I will arrange my little things, and I will sprinkle with the fox snow. This is the leftovers, and the regular styrofoam snow. Everything from the Dollar Tree, and all the supply list will be linked in the description below. And this is the styrofoam where I cut it. It is sometimes available at the Dollar Tree, or it is 98 cents at the Walmart, so you can pick it up there as well. So but that is all, and I will show you how I will arrange it, because what I will be doing, I'm gonna put this up just like that, and then I will glue it on top of this. So this is gonna be my cute little gift jar. Okay guys, for this project we will need one of the Dollar Tree cookie jar. So I'm gonna take everything apart just like that. Then I have this plate from the Dollar General, which is $1 as well. Then we got some ribbon and one of those clip decoration, which I take it off. So what I'll do, I'll go outside and use my Rust-Oleum paint in black, and I will spray the back of the plate along with the container. So we're gonna make a snowman hat, which is gonna be a cookie container as well. Okay, so the paint has dried and I really like how it turned out. Same with the plate. I did not want to ruin the back side of it. So what I'll do, I'll glue the container to the plate and then run the ribbon across and attach this little cute clip-on, which I'll take this off and just glue it to the side.